What's up, guys? My name's Zach Parker, and this is my vlog. I wanted to check in with everybody today. I did a video the other day. My first video was really an explanation of sort of my philosophy and why I'm doing this. And today it's going to be more about introducing my beautiful wife Elise and talking a little bit about some of the things that she's got going on. But then also I want to sort of talk about my plans for the future, what I'm going to be offering as far as content. That way it gives the people watching the opportunity to sort of give me some comments and let me know what you think, questions you might have, things like that. So what I'd like to do first is introduce her. This is Elise.
Hi.
And
it's nice to meet everybody.
right. We have been married for about 5 years now, and we're sort of on this journey together, just trying to slowly but surely get better, and that's kind of what her blog's about, so I'm going to let her tell you about that.
So it's called The Life-Changing Addiction, and it kind of goes along with the book. It's just advice on different aspects of your life, on how to change it, maybe make you better, some mistakes and lessons I've learned along the way, and then it also has like things that I found that made my life a little bit easier, like different apps or money saving advice, stuff like that. And there's quotes to kind of give you a little weekly motivation.
Right. And it's very much like this channel. She is just getting started. We're both very green with all of this stuff. Just like how we're working on this studio, making it better, trying to make the lighting better, trying to make the setup better. She's going to be working on the blog as far as setting it up, learning how her writing style is, learning how she wants everything to look on there. And so it's all just part of what we're doing, which is, part of what we talk about. This all is kind of brought about by the book that I wrote. It's about getting out of your comfort zones, doing new things, having goals, having dreams, and not just having them, but doing what you need to do to pursue them and then eventually have a plan for achieving them. And so one of our goals is to slowly but surely build up enough of a presence and enough content that we are able to eventually step away from our jobs a little bit and spend a little bit more time with our family. We like spending time together. We have one daughter right now, Adeline. You'll be meeting her.
She's a mess.
Right. Yeah, and she is about 15 months old right now, so she's getting into everything. And then also we've got another baby, Miss Rhea, who will be here with us at the end of January. And we're really excited about that. But that's sort of, what what our whole philosophy is have a goal, take steps towards achieving that goal. And and not just that, but improve your diet, improve your health, live a better life, and not just as this big obstacle that's so hard to accomplish. If you say it, just live a better life, it's having an idea of what the truths are about your life and how to break those down into things that you can actually accomplish. Because if you say, I just want to live a better life, well, that's gonna be tough to do. You better start breaking it down into some steps. Figure out where your shortcomings are. Another thing we wanted to talk about is that I also have a Facebook page.
Yes.
So there will be links.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to put links in the comments below.
Yeah,
in the
links.
comment section.
Links.
For the Facebook page and the blog.
The blog, right. So Facebook page, blog, there'll be links that everyone can check that out. That way you can kind of keep up with what's going on. We've also want to talk about some of the future videos. Yeah, sorry, we're just getting the hang of this, everybody, just trying to get the swing of it. Right, not quite got our rhythm yet, but we're working on it. So what I wanted to talk about was what's coming up in the future. And so one of the things that's going to be coming up in the future is I'm going to have videos where I just read chapters. And so it's almost going to be like an audio book, like if you had an Audible account or something like that, except it's just going to be straight from me reading straight to you, one chapter at a time. And if for some of the longer chapters, I may break that up into 2 videos, and then there's just going to be another short video where we sort of break it down, and I give you some of my input, what inspired me to write it, maybe some more in-depth perspectives on what I was trying to say. So that's what you can look forward to.
Basically, a breakdown straight from the author.
Right. But that's pretty much, what I wanted to accomplish with this video. Wanted to introduce Elise. Wanted to tell you about what's coming up. Talk to you about some of the other projects we've got going on. And really just let us both say hello. Hey, how you doing? Get to meet everybody. Talk about our family. Talk about, what our goals are with the channel. Talk about what our goals are with the blog. Just one big picture, which comes out to be our lives. We want to intermingle it with your lives. Hopefully we can inspire you in some way. Maybe you can comment, get to know us a little bit, inspire us. Perhaps tell us about some things that are working for you.
Definitely.
We're all just one big family here on this planet. And if we all just learn to live our best life and try to help one another, we could change the world. It all happens with you. It starts with you. It starts with us, one person at a time, us all living our best life. So unless Elise has anything else she wants to cover.
Like you said, any kind of things that you can say to inspire us in the comments, any kind of advice on sound equipment, depending on how our audio is right now.
Yeah, if you've got a good recommendation for like a sound bar or sound equipment, something like that it can help me to get better audio with these videos. I've got some decent lighting equipment. I plan on improving that game eventually as well, but need lighting equipment, maybe a good camera recommendation. This is all on my iPhone 6s, which is pretty good, but definitely not the quality that we want to have. And so as all this develops, any recommendations will be greatly appreciated. So I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you have a great week. And we will see you a couple times later in the week, I hope, as we make a couple more of these posts and at least makes a blog post or two. So
subscribe on my channel.
Right. Almost forgot to say, smash the like button. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the notifications bell. That way you always know when we put something up, and you can be right there checking out what we got going on, and we can all kind of grow together. So thank you so much. Really appreciate you guys. Hope you have a great one. God bless.